So today I'm going to break down a beat that I made. It's called Particles. It really has like a Mikey Dean Lil Baby type of vibe to it. The melody is really like Mikey Dean-ish, but the drums I can definitely hear like Lil Baby going crazy on this. So this tutorial will show you how to make like a Lil Baby Mikey Dean type of beat. We'll start off with the melody first. So this is what it sounds like. So I started off with this pluck sound from Analog Lab. And then I layered it with this like little bell sound also from Analog Lab. So how I made the chords is really simple. I'm working in the E harmonic minor scale, and I just started off with like placing these chords like this. So E, G, B, and then copy this over and copy this over again. And what I then did is just like went down in the scale. So I'm doing C and then B, and on that last chord I went down with one note as well. It really creates a lot of tension, and these type of chords and progression, you see that in a lot of Lil Baby his songs as well. Just like the same chords hitting twice and then just going down in the scale with like the bottom notes to create like extra tension in there. What I then did is strum the notes, select everything, and then Option S. Like that creates like a lot of bounce in there. You can leave the chords like that, but what I did is I just like dragged it on the grid like this. It's just like personal taste. What I then added is just some top notes. For like the first pluck sound, I didn't add any effects. But for the second sound, the little bell, I added a bunch of effects. So this is with the effects. Super wavy and ambient. Like I really love to use Portal. Lately I've been using it like in every melody, bro. Like Portal just creates like a lot of texture and vibes to the melody. After that, I added this flute one shot. I also added like a little sliding note right here. How you do that is just like place a note, double click, and then hit this button right here. If this icon pops up, it means it's a sliding note. So you just heard before the effects, and this is after the effects. I just started off with this gross beat halftime, and then I added some EQing just to like cut out some frequencies I didn't want inside of the flute melody. After that, I added this Portal preset. Then I added some RC20, also some Valhalla vintage verb to give it like a little bit more space. Then I added some kickstart as well just to like create some movement inside of the flute sound. After that, I made this sidechain preset in gross beat. Super simple. Just pull up the sidechain right here and then drag this one up and drag this one up as well. And then just do something like this. I made like a little angle on this line as well. And that is just like manipulating the volume of the flute sound, and added some Valhalla delay, preset pitch dotted 8 detuned, and also some pancake to make it a little bit more moving in your ears. As you can see right here, I pitched down the flute sound as well, but I duplicated the flute sound again and then just like the normal pitch on like every third bar of the loop. Last but not least, I added this one shot sound. That accent right there, it really added a lot to the melody. I just added some super VHS to it. This is what it all sounds like together. I hope you can follow. We're going to break down the drums right now and then play the full beat. I really hope this video is sparking some inspiration with you and you are motivated to make some beats right now after watching this video. This is the hi-hat. The hi-hats were inspired by Southside from 808 Mafia. I also added a snare to this. Then I added like this little twist sound, open hat. We got like a little perk sound as well, and a punchy kick. I got a really like short 808 sound, and I added this sliding note like we did before on the flute, and also a little roll right here, and then just like drag down the velocity. Right here at the end of the beat, I added like a little bridge where only like the accent is playing and the drums but rendered out. And what I added to those is just some like Fruity Low filter. I think it's preset low pass, and then I just like drag down the resonance and the volume. There you have it. It's really simple, the beat. I know this beat is just like placement ready. I can definitely hear like Lil Baby on this. There's just like a lot of room for a rapper to go crazy on it. Like even maybe Wick on this, bro. Imagine like just some evil lyrics and just like some really gangster stuff. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at ScarletBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.